Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download the Kik app from your phone's app store and create an account if you don't have one already. Make sure your account is verified and ready to go. Step 2. Open the Kik app and navigate to the home page where you'll see the live streaming option. Tap on the plus icon or the Go Live button that's prominently displayed. Step 3. Set up your stream settings by choosing your stream title, adding a thumbnail image, and selecting your category. These details help viewers find your stream and know what to expect. Step 4. Position your phone using a stand or tripod to get a stable shot. Make sure you have good lighting, whether that's natural light or a lamp pointing toward you. Step 5. Tap the Go Live button to start your broadcast. Once you're live, engage with viewers in the chat, respond to comments, and keep the energy up throughout your stream. The whole process takes just a few minutes once you're set up, so start streaming today and build your audience on Kik.